Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to tell the steps to install Cassandra in your Windows machine. And to install Cassandra, you first need JDK, which is installed prior to installing Cassandra. And you can download Cassandra files using cassandra.apache.org using this complete URL. Yeah. If you click here, it will start downloading. I have already downloaded it. So you will get the structure like this here. And after that, you have to install Python 2.7. As Python 2.7 is required to run CQLSH command, which is required for Cassandra. And after installing Python 2.7, you need to set the path in the environment variables for Python 2.7. Yeah. So in path, I have already set C Python 2.7. So I have kept my Python 2.7 at this location, at the C folder and Python 27 folder. I mean in the C directory and Python 27 folder. And now you have to run a command cassandra.bat space -f to run the Cassandra server. So we have to run this command, we have to copy this command and we have to go to the place where the Cassandra files are placed. So we have to go till bin and we have to open the command prompt through this folder and run the command. So through this command, our Cassandra server gets started. Now our Cassandra DB server is started and we have to go to the bin folder again and we have to invoke the command prompt again and we have to open the file CQLSH using CQLSH command. The CQLSH file is already placed in this folder and now we can run our queries for Cassandra. Now we have to create the key space first using create key space query which I have written here already. Yeah. So through this our key space gets created. We can create test tech. So our key space with the name test tech is created. So for using that key space we have to write command test use test tech. So we are in the key space test tech. So we can create a table in this test tech key space using this create table query. Now the table is created. Again, if we want to make sure that if the table is created, we can insert some values through the insert command. We just have to run the insert into key space dot table and the values with the keys. This is the insert query. We are going to insert data in the table we have made, which is student, the table name. And through this insert query, the data is inserted to the table student. Now we can make sure that data is inserted into the table using the select command. Now the data is printed. Actually is test tech key space. So in the test I have already kept the same data. That's why it is come like this. So we have inserted the record with the values to VUS Marianne, and that's printed as it is. So that's all for today.